We'll have another crack at it, mate.
All right.
Tell us about your loco.
Alright, the Yellow Peril
Yep.
is a freelance model of Victorian Railways Rail Tractor built in 1975
Yep.
when I was 10, so
Yep.
work that out. A hand crank in it for us kids that whiz around the Springvale track, and we went around that for years.
Yep.
And then it had a electric motor in a T-van, Victorian Railways T-van, and that became the dummy and just got pushed around
Right.
by the dummy.
Yep.
And then eventually it had a N.S.W.G.R generator put in it.
Yep.
And then we had batteries and carriages and controllers, and it was just too bulky to carry, so I've always wanted to have it compact.
Yep.
So we found the N.S.W.G.R motor and controller.
Right.
The motor goes under the floor, and the two motorbike batteries go in, and they haven't run them flat yet.
So how many amp hours are they?
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know?
They're black and they're that big.
Right. So essentially it's almost like a freelance planet, isn't it? The size of it, it's like one of those.
It's bigger than a planet,
yeah.
Slightly bigger.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a model on the Victorian Railways Rail Tractors were up through Victoria and through the country stations.
Yep.
They were there so the station master could drive something and shunt trucks around.
Yep.
Without having a loco tied up.
So it's quite a handy size. You can just throw it in the boot and just pull it out.
Yeah, and the real ones just get towed around on trains, at the back of trains, and in the train.
Yep.
They were through pipes, so they didn't actually have air themselves.
Okay. So they just worked in the sidings, country sidings.
Country sidings.
Yeah, for sure. All right, mate. Well, thanks for that. I'll let you go.
Right. Thanks again.
No worries.
You ready, dog? Picked up a passenger.
Yeah, I noticed. Here's Pete's little loco. Not entirely sure what's going to run out first. Pete or his dog. I think the dog's got plenty of energy. So there you have it. That was Pete's little Victorian Railways rail tractor. So there's a little bit of history there, and there's a little bit of history in Pete's model. Fantastic little model for people that are sort of looking for something that can just fit in the boot, and you can turn around and pull all your little consist out and throw it straight on the track without having to tow a trailer. So there's a little food for thought for you guys that are thinking of building something small for the kids to run around on, or for the adults. And it's also something to consider for the scale modeler, I suppose. So yeah, if you liked the video, click like, and don't forget we're a new channel, so hit the subscribe button. Let's get the numbers up, and thanks for watching. Till next time, see you later. Bye.